Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 Windows 11 from console. To start, right-click on Start and select Terminal Admin. Now run the command sfc/scannow, press Enter. You must wait for the file system scan to complete. Chapter 2. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 Windows 11, freeing up space. To get started, open Start and click on Settings. After that, in System, click on Storage. Then click on Temporary Files. Here, check the boxes to delete. When you do, click on Remove Files and confirm this by clicking on Continue. Chapter 3. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 Windows 11 updating system. To start, click Start and select Settings. After this, in Windows Update, click on Check for updates. Wait for it to check if they exist. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 Windows 11 checking virtualization. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Then in the Performance section, select CPU. At the bottom, check that the virtualization line is enabled. Chapter 5. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 Windows 11 disabling antivirus. To start, enter Security in the search box, open Windows Security. After that, in Virus and Threat Protection, click on Manage Settings. To complete this, turn off the switch, Real-Time Protection. Chapter 6. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 Windows 11 reinstalling app. To start, enter Control in the search box. Click on Uninstall a program. Now select Bluestacks X, click on Install, select a reason and click on Install. After this, select Bluestacks App Player and click Uninstall. Choose a reason and select Uninstall to complete the process. Now go to the link that we left you in the video description. Here, download version 5. When downloaded, execute the file. Wait for the installation process to complete. Then you will have access to the application. Chapter 7. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 Windows 11 running as administrator. To start, right-click on the Bluestacks shortcut and select Properties. Here in the Compatibility tab, activate the Run this program and as administrator box. Click Apply and OK. Open Bluestacks from the shortcut. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.